Do you often feel sick, or do you quickly catch common cold, cough, or flu? Well, the reason for this is clearly a weak immune system. The word immunity is one of the most googled words in the past 1 year. Did you know one COVID patient can infect 406 people in 30 days? By now, we know that even if we all are vaccinated, it may not give us 100% protection against COVID. We still need to maintain COVID appropriate behavior like washing your hands for 20 seconds, not touching your face frequently, wearing mask while going out, and using sanitizers frequently. As of now, there is no medicine to kill virus. So, it finally comes down to strengthening our immune system. Today from my channel Active Ash, we are going to discuss how to make your immune system stronger. I will provide a complete guide on how to build a strong immune system by adapting natural remedies and also some dietary supplements made from herbs.
Immunity is the ability of the body to defend itself from foreign bodies. Immunity is of two types, innate and adaptive. Innate is instant but temporary immunity. It protects the body against infection but has no memory. Antibiotics is an example of innate immunity. Adaptive immunity is slow, acquired and long-term immunity. It has kind of memory. Vaccines are an example of adaptive immunity. The main parts of immune system are white blood cells, antibodies, complement system, lymphatic system, spleen, bone marrow and thymus. The stronger our immune system, the better our body can fight from viruses. Your body's immunity depends upon various factors like managing stress, eating a nutritional diet with proper macro and micronutrients, exercising regularly including breathing exercises, right supplementation and adequate sleep.
Apart from taking general safety measures, let's now discuss about specific food habits and lifestyle changes for strengthening the immunity.
Eat food rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin which has high level of antioxidants and works towards boosting immune system function. Lemons, bell peppers, broccoli, oranges, kiwi, guava are a few examples of fruits and vegetables with high level of vitamin C. As the body cannot store water-soluble vitamins for a long time, it is advised to consume vitamin C rich fruits and vegetables or a good quality vitamin C supplement multiple times a day. Next is to include garlic. Garlic is effective towards boosting immune system functions and also reduces high cholesterol and hypertension. Taking garlic supplements with allicin, which is an active ingredient found in garlic, has immense health benefits, and it's found to be beneficial for those who cannot consume raw garlic in their food. Those who can handle, it's easy to add garlic to many dishes including soups, sauces, salads, and daily food routine. Next is reducing stress. When an individual experiences stress, it can severely affect their immune system. Many people who are dealing with the loss of a job or a death of a loved one will often find themselves also battling with cold, flu, or an infection. Next is getting quality sleep. When a person is lacking enough sleep, they become much more susceptible to contracting illness and disease. In the busy world of long work hours and the demands of home and family, it can be difficult to get enough sleep each night. A good night's sleep helps in building strong immunity. 6 to 8 hours of quality sleep is required for an healthy individual.
Apart from these, we can also follow a few natural remedies to support immunity in COVID times. Like sit in the sun for 15-20 minutes, drink 2.5 liters of water per day. All food should be hot, avoid cold food, and keep in mind that the pH of the coronavirus ranges from 5.5 to 8.5. So, all we have to do to eliminate the virus is to eat alkaline foods above the acid level of the virus, like bananas, avocados, and pineapple. Also, inhaling hot steam is known to kill the virus while it is still there in the nose. When you inhale steam, it reaches at the back of your perineal sinus. At 50 degrees, this virus becomes disabled. At 60 degrees, this virus becomes so weak that any human immunity system can fight against it. At 70 degrees, this virus dies completely. This is what steam does. Even if you stay at home, you should take steam once a day. If you go to the market to buy vegetables, you need to take steam at least twice a day. But if the virus has already crossed beyond the nasal region and entered the respiratory system, steam may not help. Then our immune system is responsible to fight with the virus. In my next part of this video, we will talk about building the immunity right from childhood and even how to support immunity in the current situation. In the previous part, we talked about immunity. In this part, we will discuss about all the natural herbs that can support immunity building right from childhood.
As mentioned in my previous part, the various systems in the child's body is delicate and still developing. Hence, children up to 4 years should consume healthy food as per the color wheel and build up immunity. Now, let's start with kids' range of products that every child above the age of 4 should take on a regular basis to build up the immune system. The first product is Kids Multivitamin, which comes as natural flavored chewable. Each serving of it provides 21 vitamins and minerals along with the benefits of phytonutrients and blend of acerola cherry, pineapple, cashew, passion fruit and guava concentrates. The next product is Vitamin C. Vitamin C helps support the normal immune system, skin health, bone health, helps in iron absorption, and it's also a known antioxidant. Orange, kiwis, strawberries, broccoli, bell peppers are natural sources of vitamin C. If your child does not want to frequently have the above fruits and vegetables throughout the day, then a good quality vitamin C supplement is highly recommended. Each tablet contains 117 mg of acerola, which provides 30 mg of vitamin C. The next two products can be taken by kids as well as adults. The first product is Chyawanprash by Nutrilite. Chyawanprash is an ancient Indian formulation prepared according to a traditional Ayurvedic recipe, possesses multiple health benefits, and has been widely used since ancient times as a health supplement and as a medicine for enhancing immunity. Nutrilite Chyawanprash contains the goodness of 32 Ayurvedic ingredients to support immunity and to rejuvenate the body with regular use. The next product is Tulsi. Tulsi, also known as holy basil, contains a lot of antioxidants and micronutrients which helps your immune system, especially in COVID times, by protecting it from damage caused by free radicals. The herb is known to cure fever, help treat respiratory diseases such as asthma, and help wounds heal faster. Besides its immunity boosting property, it is also known to have anti-aging and antibacterial properties. One tulsi tablet has extracts from about 100 dried organic tulsi leaves. One tablet 1 to 2 times can be taken on a daily basis for adults and half a tablet can be given to kids. Apart from Nutrilite, Tulsi and Chyawanprash, a multivitamin is also very important to build immunity for adults or children above 12 years of age. Each tablet provides 13 essential vitamins and 11 essential minerals with additional advantages of natural plant concentrates like the organically grown acerola cherry, parsley, spinach, alfalfa and carrot. It contains vitamin C, B vitamins and niacin that helps strengthen immunity and also minerals like iron and iodine which helps support nervous system and mental performance too. It also contains biotin that helps maintain healthy hair and skin. Another product that can provide us 24-hour defense is Nutrilite Vitamin C Cherry Plus. When it comes to taking care of immunity, then there is nothing better than vitamin C. Your body needs adequate supply of vitamin C to help fight back infections. A daily serving of 1 Nutrilite Vitamin C Cherry Plus tablet provides 400 mg of vitamin C, equivalent to 9 oranges or 8 lemons. Nutrilite Vitamin C comes with a unique extended release mechanism that ensures that your body keeps getting a steady 8-hour long supply of vitamin C. This helps support your immune system all day, reducing the duration of cough and colds, cutting down stress-related oxidants, and promoting the growth of collagen-producing cells. The next product comprises of herbs like Vasaka, Mulethi and Surasa, which are known to help in supporting natural respiratory comfort due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Each herb is known to support respiratory health and increase immunity. It is an excellent supplement for those who stay in highly polluted areas or for people who smoke on a regular basis. Now, coming to the current COVID situation, even after vaccination, we all need immunity boosters to enhance our immunity to keep us safe. The next product, Neutralite Echinacea Citrus Concentrate Plus, is an instant immunity booster. Echinacea activates the chemicals in the body that decreases inflammation and instantly increases the body's immune system. Neutralite Echinacea Citrus Concentrate protects our body from ill effects of seasonal changes and helps to improve natural resistance.
Immunity building is a slow and a consistent process, but during the current COVID times, even after taking vaccination, there will be new variants coming up every now and then. The only way to prevent or fight against it is increasing our immunity. As you know, it is very difficult to protect ourselves against virus as it is airborne and spreads very easily. Please follow regular immunity building practices for kids and adults, as well as immunity booster if you are unwell or have any pre-existing health condition. You can always connect with me for any specific concerns. Thanks for watching and bye for now.